Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to replace the rollers in your garage door. Quick and easy, without taking apart the tracks. So your rollers eventually wear out, even with the best of maintenance. I like the nylon rollers myself, they're a little bit quieter. You can use whatever you like. I'll show you how we get it done, quick and easy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to quick connect the garage door. Right here, we're going to lift it up. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your vice grips and you're going to clamp them right here and you're going to open this up. You don't need it open too far, you just need it open enough to get the roller out of there. Alright? Then, you pull the door down to the roller you want to work on. Stick your screwdriver in there, and you pop it over. Just like that. Now you just pull it out. You're ready to put the new one in. You pop the new one in, put it back down through here. Like that. And go on to the next one. You do that all the way down till you got them all done. Once you have them all in, take your vice grips, bend your track back, I'll work on that a little bit so it looks good. When you get to the top roller, you're going to have to bend the track up here because the top roller doesn't end there, it ends about right up here when the door is closed. So same process, super easy. Bend the track up towards the top and pop the roller out and put the new one on. Once you've got them all in and you've bent the track back, hit them with a little silicone grease and you're done. Thanks for watching.